We know that it's distressing when you accidentally delete your important photos, and even more frustrating when you are unable to recover them. Don't panic, we are here to help you.
Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
My name is Shivani and today I'll help you recover deleted photos from your Android smartphone. Grab a cup of tea and watch the video till the end. Download and launch Photos Recovery app. Head to Google Play Store and install Photos Recovery by Systweak. This amazing app will recover pictures from both internal and external memory. And the good news is you don't need to root your smartphone. Scan for deleted photos once you install this quick app on your smartphone. And start the process by tapping on the Start Scan option. Now allow the access of media and files on your device by clicking on Allow. Once the scan is completed, you will get recovered images with categories such as cache, Android and others. Review scan results. You can also sort the restored photos according to date, size and name. If you want to save all the devices, tap on the square icon located at the top right corner. Additionally, you can also save specific images by choosing a category, then selecting the image and tapping on the downward arrow icon, the right bottom corner. Recovered photos history. When you go back to the app's dashboard, there is a separate button to check your recovered images. You can anytime browse the options to check which image you have recovered and saved on your device. Customizable settings. You can anytime customize its settings option by tapping on the 3 bars icon located at the top left corner and choosing settings from the list. There you can adjust scan filters with image sizes in KB and MB formats. Additionally, you can also check the photo recovery path to understand where all restored photos are saved. Another good news is if you are still unable to understand how this app works, check the app tutorial from the settings option. That's it guys, with these simple steps you can restore deleted photos on your device effortlessly. We hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for regular updates press the bell icon.